This is what I got when I go through the 3 phases of creating a good front end. Not guessing, not random prompts, a clear process. And we're gonna go through the first phase, second phase, and third phase. I'll show you step by step to how I created this. So first phase, finding a good front end idea, because reference image is really important for me. There are few places where you can find solid inspirations. Okay, so first is Behance. It's great to find polished and design level concepts, and yeah, you can find that here. And then there is awards. It's perfect for high-end and premium sites, and the animation you see here is really gonna blow your mind, and it's look really expensive. And then there is Dribble. You can use it to quick UI designs like card, dashboards, and components. But my favorite place to find a good front-end reference is Pinterest. So why Pinterest? Pinterest is amazing because you don't need to think too much. You just search something like web design and then scroll and scroll and scroll and find something you really like. When I find something, I just gonna download it or screenshot it for reference image, and I'm gonna do that right here, download. Now the real work starts. This is phase 2, creating a right prompt. So the second phase is all about creating the right prompts. So this is where most people fails and end up with a generic looking AI front end. I usually create my prompts using the ChatGPT and Claude, and I follow something called the depth method, and I will explain what is depth. These stand for define multiple perspectives. I tell AI to think like a front-end designer or a product builder. Okay, giving a character is really important. And E stands for establish success criteria, like what good result look like. You need to explain that. And P stands for provide context layers, like reference image or style, design style, anything. You should add that. Then T stands for task breakdown, like analyze first, then build data, something like that. You want to explain what to do first. Then we have H, which stands for human feedback loop, like fix what a mess up. Simple as that. That's called depth. You can find more in the description. And now we have the first prompt. I already created first prompt. Now I paste the first prompt. These prompts tell the AI to analyze the reference image. It extracts spacing, typography, colors, layout, and components. And this is the output we got after the first prompt. Next, I paste the second prompt. This one tells the AI to build the full working front end using everything you have analyzed. Now AI isn't guessing anymore, it's just following the real design DNA. Now phase 3, final result. Let's open the full view, and this is the result we got, and just scroll one by one. You can see it's clean and superb. Yeah, and you can find all the assets and prompts I used here in the description. You can download them and also subscribe for more. Thank you.